Hey,
What do you want?
just a couple of minutes.
God, you look terrible.
Yeah, I know. I was wondering if I could stay home tonight. I really want to wake up in a place to know where the hell I was. That would be a real nice change of pace for me.
I can't do that.
Well, I wouldn't have asked, but my options are kind of limited right now, if you know what I mean.
Belinda, we've been through this 100 times.
No, 101.
You conned your way through rehab, you lied, you stole. Look what you've done to our family.
Well, why can't you give me a break, huh? Why can't you be my sister for one goddamn day? I need help! Huh? I mean, can't you tell when I'm telling you the truth?
Trust was the first thing you ruined.
There's this guy that I was sending money to. It might be a big surprise to you, but I'm gonna see if we can work it out. Try and make something of my life. I promise. I just want you to wish me luck. Whether you believe me or not.
Think you'd be clean for 1 week? 1 week. Because I need your help too.
I'll try.